Hi. What happens to a task when it is sent back by approving user without approving? simpliRP BCMS is smart enough to send that task back to the previous process user. Now, we are logged in as Ashish Sen. Here, you can see one work item is pending. Click that. Please fill the checklist. Upload documents if required. Now, please enter the reason for sending back. Select Not OK and save. That's all. simpliRP will automatically route it to previous user. Now, we will log in as previous user. That is Ajit Sinha. Please note, the pending work item is now 4. Click that. In this, you can see the approving user comment and the work item. Click that. Here you can make the new checklist answer. If required, you can upload a document. Enter necessary comments. Then save. The work item will move to next user automatically. The pending work item number has also reduced to 3. simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.